Mornings are chilly, nights are cold. Winter is a bliss. But this seasonal change brings cough and cold along with it. Though antibiotics are the option to solve the problem, you can improve your condition with better foods. Here are a few tips to follow. Firstly, drink plenty of fluids. Sipping on warm water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins and soothes your sore throat. Adding some herb and spices is a great idea to improve your flavor and calm your nerves. Ginger and turmeric are the best Indian spices for cough and cold. The gingerol in this ginger root will help you relieve your sore throat, and curcumin in that turmeric has some antibacterial and antiviral properties. Homemade soup are the best decoction when you are down with cough and cold. Honey has some inflammatory properties which help you treat with your cough and cold. So add 1 teaspoon of honey in a warm water with a pinch of turmeric and some ginger juice as your morning drink to relieve with cough and cold. For such helpful health tips,